Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we are going to unwrap this. This one is the Samsung SmartTag. So when I purchased my Samsung S21 Ultra 5G, I forgot I have some of the reward from Samsung. So I got the reward because I purchased from previous Samsung S20 Ultra and also the Samsung Note 20 Ultra and plus S21 Ultra. So when I purchase those three phones, then I get those reward points. So I believe I have about 5,000 something points. So I purchased two of these smart tags. So this is the first one. When I first purchased one, I don't have to pay anything. Lucky this one was on sale. Original price on this is like $29.99. So they cut in half, which is only $14.99. I'm waiting for my second one to come in, but with the second one, I did a cut of $2 and something, which is not bad for the smart tag. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. There's my invoice in here, okay. So here's the item number right here. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag, 1 pack, black color. So let's go ahead and open this up. Make sure yours is original one in case you want to buy from like a third party. You have this tape on the left and right hand side on the top, and this one is pretty stiff, not too flimsy. And there's also another tape on the bottom right here. So I'm going to open this one up. Just open from the bottom since it's only got one tape. So here's a quick start guide. And there's some of the recycle symbol right there. There are a lot of fake one out there. So let's go ahead and pop this out. Alright, so the battery is in there already, so let me get my Note 20. So when I open my Note 20, it shows Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag already. So I'm going to click on Add Now. And you gotta click on the use of the location information right here. And then click on Agree. And let's get started with your smart tag. Press Start. So now we want you to press the button in the center of the smart tag. So now it's syncing. So you can name this tag either for your pet. You can name your pets if you have a cat, dogs, parrots, or whatever, I don't know. And then keychain or luggages. So since my first one, it says there's already a device with the name in this room, choose a different name. So I'm going to name it keychain. So you need to use a SmartThing app. If you don't have it, you need to go and download it. And you want me to update. So since it's updating, I cannot do anything right now. See, it says updating. Almost done. Alright, so now we could press start. You want to go ahead and press, let's find your device. So once you set that up, you need to press double tap this so you can find your phone in case you have the SmartTag. There you go. And on the bottom right here, you can set the volume and what kind of ringing tone. So there's a use button for automation when it's pressed or when it's held down. So let's go and check it out when it's pressed. You hit the plus sign. You could notify someone, control device, change this location mode, or run scene. Well, only the one that's highlighted in white color, notify someone, or change this location mode. So you can send a notification to members or send text message in case you need help. If you press and held it, there's another setting for you again. So now I have two. One is a SmartTag and then the second one is keychain. Maybe I set another one for the luggage. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.